So guys, the car is finally ready and it's a real beauty. So I made a few modifications on the way. First of them, I lowered the suspension, I modified the doors, I modified the rear, and I added some white bits. So let me show you the lowering of the suspension. As you can see in this picture, the ride height is a lot lower, and I changed it by switching some pins to another position. And as you can see in these pictures, it's quite easy. So the next change are the improved doors. The standard doors have strange bits sticking out. It all has to do with the air inlet to the engine. The original has some hollow part there, and I get what they're doing, but I don't really like it. It's not clean. I like a more clean design. So I swapped it out, and this is the result. Much better. So next up is the modified rear. As you can see, the original method has this strange winglet at the back. It's like the original, which has a little wing on the back. They try to imitate that with these parts, but you see all those strange bits sticking out. It's, in my opinion, it's pretty crude, and I decided to swap it around, take it off, turn it around, put it back on, and then it's a much more slick design, at least to my opinion. Obviously you can do whatever you want. I like it more this way. So for the last modification, we're gonna take a look at the white bits, the added white bits, because if you take a look at the original Ferrari 488 GTE, it has this striping on the nose, the white, the green, the red being the Italian flag, and to the left and the right there's the blue from SMP Racing. It's a very nice livery. It's clearly the Italian flag running across the nose, running across the roof, all to the back. But then you take a look at the Lego version, and as you can see, there's a lot of red in between. I borrowed these pictures from somebody who was also bothered by that. He caught my attention with that. As you can see, these are red tiles with stickers on them, and here on the nose, on the front, also red parts going down. It's a lot of red, and it's kind of ugly. I wanted to make it more fluid. Here you can see it also, a lot of red in between, a lot of red. This is of course the air inlet. Also a lot of red there and there. And I wanted to change that. So I started with this tile. You could swap it out for a white tile if you have it. I did not have the red tile, obviously, so I just painted it white. You could probably spray paint it white. That would be give the best result. I did not have that, so I just took some paint. And next you have these bits. Those are originally also red parts, and I also painted them white to bring out the white triangle. So add that piece and you have a much cleaner appearance on the front. Obviously you would like to have the green and the red continue running. Well, the red is exactly the same color as the Lego, so it would appear that stripe is continuing all the way down, which obviously it is not. But for the green bit, yeah, that's more difficult. Then you have to make the exact same green color to give it the illusion of running all the way to the front. So that's kind of difficult unless you manage to get that exact same color, which I did not have. So yeah, that's a shame. But for the eye, it's already a huge improvement. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. It was a great project. Nice to do something very different for a change. As you know, I always like to race the Ferrari 488, and now I have it in Lego. So I'm very happy with it. Hope you liked it. Give a thumbs up, give a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You know the drill. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.